Good morning, my little friends. It's Kate, and today is Monday, so it means that we're going to have our English lesson. So let's start with a warm up. Repeat after me. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm and crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit and jump, jump, jump. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly and fly, fly, fly. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat and meow, meow, meow. Five fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a lion and row, row, row. Okay, great job, guys. And now let's make a sandwich. Let's take a piece of bread first. Let's take a piece of cheese, a piece of tomato, a piece of cucumber, and a piece of bread on top. Look, our sandwich is very big, so you should open your mouth widely to eat it. And by the way, it's very tasty, so let's try to eat this sandwich. Ham, ram, ham, jam. Okay, we're not hungry anymore, guys. The sandwich was very yummy. And now let's wake up. Wake up. Wake up. And now let's wash our face. Wash, 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 wash. Let's brush our teeth. Brush, 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 brush. Great. And now let's get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. And now let's eat our breakfast. Eat, eat, eat. Okay, great. And now let's wash our hands. Wash, 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 wash. And now let's shake our hands. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, great. And now put your hands up. Put your hands down. Put your hands up, down, up, down. Okay, put your hands on your nose. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your cheeks. Put your hands on your shoulders. Put your hands on your forehead. Put your hands on your lips. Okay, great, guys. Nice. And now let's talk about weather. You should be very attentive and look at the pictures. So, guys, look. There are many pictures, and now I want you to show me your magic finger. Here it is, so get ready and show me windy weather with your magic finger. Okay, great job. And now show me snowy weather. Great. And now show me rainy weather. Nice. You're right. And now show me cloudy weather. Okay, great. And now show me foggy weather. Great job. Show me sunny weather. Great. And find a rainbow, please. Show me the rainbow. You're right, great. And now show me stormy weather. Okay, great job, guys. And now show me sunny weather. Great. That's nice. Very well. So what's the weather like today? I think today it is sunny. And look outside the window. It is sunny and warm. Okay, great. And now let's talk about your mood and emotions. So tell me, please, what is it? Yes, you're right. It's a pumpkin. And how do you think? How is this pumpkin? Yes, great. This pumpkin is excited. And how is this pumpkin? Yes, you're right. This pumpkin is bored. Nothing is interesting to this pumpkin. Okay. And the next pumpkin is sad. You're right. Great. And this pumpkin is happy. Yes, great. And how is this pumpkin? This pumpkin is surprised. You're right. And the next pumpkin is scared. Yes, okay. And the last pumpkin is angry. Yes, correct. You're right. Okay. How are you today? As for me, I am happy today. Katya is happy today. And how are you? Okay, great. I hope all of you are happy today, guys. And today, guys, I want to tell you a secret. We are going to visit many different places around the world, all around the world. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start. And first of all, to get somewhere, what should we do? We should walk. Let's walk. Walk, 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 walk. Okay. Wow, look, where are we? We are in the forest. Forest. Okay, great. And now let's walk further. Walk, 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 walk. Great, look. We are near the river. River, river, river. Okay, great. And now let's walk again. Walk, 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 walk. Look, where are we? We are in the jungle. Jungle. Who lives in the jungle? Monkeys, lions, giraffes, elephants live in the jungle. Jungle. Okay, let's walk again. Walk, 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 walk. Wow, oh my God, look, where are we now? We're in the mountains. Mountains. Mountains are very big and sometimes it's cold there. Look, mountains, and they are very high up in the sky even. Mountains. So let's walk again. Walk, 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 walk. And wow, look, what do you see? It's a volcano. 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 Volcanoes are very dangerous. You know? Okay, let's go again. Let's walk. Where are we going to get? Walk, 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 walk. Look, we are in the desert. Desert. It's so hot in the desert. It's very hot. Look, and here is a cactus. It grows in a desert. So, desert. Let's go again. Maybe we'll find something else. Walk, 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 walk. Wow, look, and now we are on the island. Island. It's also hot there. And palm trees grow on the islands, and there are a lot of fruits there. Island. 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 Okay, let's walk again. Walk, 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 walk. And now look, where are we? Wow, it's so beautiful. We are in the ocean. Many different kinds of fish live in the ocean. So fish live here. And by the way, you can swim in the ocean. So let's swim. Swim, swim, swim in the ocean. Wow. And now we're back home again. So it's great. We visited a lot of interesting places with you. And now look what I found. What is it? How do you think? It's a chick. Yes, you're right. And what's the color of this chick? Great, you're right. This chick is purple. And what's the color of this chick? This chick is brown. Yes, you're right. Great. And this chick is white. Yes, you're right. And the next chick is pink. And this chick is blue. Yes, you're right. Great. And the last chick is yellow. Yes, great. Okay, guys, high five. You were so great today. Thank you for your attention and watching the lesson with me. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.